how to load nails in your DeWALT staple gun. This is the DeWALT heavy duty staple gun. However, if you have the staple gun which is a 5-in-1 from DeWALT, it's exactly the same process. Locate the end here, press this down. This releases the mechanism at the back. So we can now load our staples or nails. We want nails. So we get our nails here, load it into the track. And you want it against the edge like this. Use your finger to keep it against the edge. This allows the track to go across like that. Can be a bit tricky because the nails can pop up. So keep them pressed like that. And once this little end goes over the track of the nails, you'll be able to then flip it over. Press this down, lock it in position, and you've successfully loaded your brad nails into the DeWALT staple gun. Hopefully you found that video helpful. If you did, smash the like, smash the subscribe, and thanks for watching.